Hey folks, Rob Groneveld here with Welland Toyota. I got a vehicle here for you to check out. Today we got featured here a 2017 Lexus NX200 with only 6,000 kilometers. This car here features a 2-liter turbocharged with 235 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque. So you're really going to feel that punch off the line. Not to mention this vehicle comes with all the latest safety equipment, including blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, radar cruise, pre-collision, lane departure alert with active steer and automatic high beam detection. Coming into the inside of the car, you're going to notice the striking red interior offset with the black leather. You're also going to have driver select mode from eco mode to normal, sport, and sport plus, just for a little bit extra driving enthusiasm. You have dual zone climate control. Neat feature on this car, you're going to have brake hold. Brake hold was a feature first developed for the flagship for the Lexus, the LS400. Basically what happens here is once you activate this, when you come up to a complete stop, the vehicle's going to hold it. You can then take your foot off the brake and the vehicle's going to hold until you touch the gas. All right folks, thanks again for watching. Hope you liked the video. Remember to like our Facebook page and subscribe.